Technology and medicine, new inventions in surgery. In recent years, technology has played an increasingly important role in the field of medicine, particularly in the area of surgery. New advances in technology are enabling surgeons to perform complex procedures with greater precision, speed, and safety than ever before. In this article, we will explore some of the latest innovations in surgical technology. One of the most exciting developments in surgical technology is the use of robotics. Robotic surgery involves the use of computer-controlled robots to assist in surgical procedures. These robots can be controlled remotely by the surgeon, who operates a console with a high-resolution screen and joystick-like controls. The robot's arms, which hold the surgical instruments, are fitted with sensors that transmit the surgeon's movements to the robot in real time, allowing for precise and delicate movements that are beyond the capabilities of the human hand. Another exciting development is the use of augmented reality, AR, in surgery. AR involves overlaying computer-generated images onto the real world, and it is being used to assist surgeons in a variety of ways. For example, AR can be used to provide surgeons with a 3D map of the patient's anatomy, allowing them to plan and rehearse the surgery before it takes place. AR can also be used during surgery to project images of the patient's internal organs onto a screen, giving the surgeon a clearer view of the area being operated on. In addition to robotics and AR, there have been a number of other new developments in surgical technology. For example, advances in imaging technology are enabling surgeons to see inside the body in more detail than ever before. This is particularly useful in minimally invasive surgeries, where the surgeon operates through small incisions and relies on imaging technology to guide their instruments. Other innovations in surgical technology include the use of smart sutures that can monitor the healing process, and the development of new materials that can be used in implants and prosthetics. There are even researchers working on developing 3D printing technology that can create customized implants and prosthetics that perfectly match the patient's anatomy. While these developments are exciting, it is important to note that they are still in the early stages of development. And there are still many challenges that need to be overcome before they become widely available. These challenges include issues around cost, training, and regulatory approval. However, with continued investment and research, the potential benefits of these new technologies are enormous. And they have the potential to transform the field of surgery in ways we cannot yet imagine. Surgery has been revolutionized by advancements in technology and scientific innovations. As a result, a wide range of new techniques, procedures, and tools are being used in surgery to make procedures safer, more efficient, and less invasive. In this article, we will explore some of the cutting-edge applications of scientific inventions in the field of surgery. One of the most exciting innovations in surgery is the use of robots. Robotic-assisted surgery allows for greater precision and accuracy during procedures, resulting in reduced scarring, less blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients. Robots are being used in various surgical specialties, including gynecology, urology, and orthopedics, to name a few. By using robots, surgeons can perform procedures that were once considered impossible due to the limitations of traditional surgical techniques. Another area where science is transforming surgery is in the development of 3D printing technology. With 3D printing, surgeons can create personalized implants and prosthetics, tailored to each patient's unique anatomy.